Hello everyone, and welcome to a quick video on how you can make this supremely strong and tangy lime curd. For this recipe you will need 170 grams of white sugar, 4 eggs, 5 limes, slightly older ones work best, 100 grams of margarine. You can use butter instead, but the flavour of your finished curd will be more buttery and less limey if you do. So to make your curd, the first thing you're going to do is use a fine grater to remove all the zest from the limes and put this to one side for use later. Then cut the limes in half and use a fork to remove as much of the juice from them as you can, getting every last drop and saving this with your zest. The more juice and zest you have, the stronger the flavour of your finished curd is going to be. Place a pan with 1 inch of water in it onto a hob to heat up, and place a heat-proof bowl in the water. Then add the margarine to this so that it has time to melt. In the meantime, break 3 whole eggs into a bowl or jug that you can beat them in, and then add 1 extra yolk that's been separated from its white. Beat these until they are nice and smooth. Once the margarine has melted, add the rest of the prepared ingredients and immediately start to stir it with a metal spoon as soon as the eggs have been added. Adjust the heat so that the water is just simmering around the bowl, and keep stirring the mixture, and the curd will eventually start to thicken in about 5 to 10 minutes depending on how much lime juice you added. The curd is nearly ready when gel starts to form on the base of the bowl, and as soon as you start to see this, it will thicken quite quickly now, but keep stirring until it has the consistency of thick custard. As soon as that is achieved, immediately decant into hot sterilised jars and screw the lids on nice and firmly. Eat any half-filled jars first, but so long as they're stored somewhere cool, unopened jars will last for around a month, and once you have opened though, be sure to consume them within 1 week. And there you have it though, one supremely simple and zingy little recipe for a lovely lime curd. Happy curding everyone, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye!